Hello friends, you're not gonna believe what just happened in this video. Since Lorita came to Untouchable house, she has been causing a lot of issues, and today she served him a dog food for him to eat. Imagine for her serving him a dog food in his own house. So let's watch the video now.
I made food for you.
I am not eating. Take this thing and go.
How?
Stop this nonsense now. You want to poison me? Stop this nonsense. Go carry this thing.
I can't poison you. This food is not poison. Like it's not. What?
Madam, carry and go now. I beg. Precious.
I smell myself. Enter kitchen. Prepare food for you. They tell me say poison now. Why how go take poison?
Okay, carry this thing go now.
What do you mean?
Shift this side, I beg. Why are you coming close to me?
How?
I'm not hungry. I don't want to eat.
What
carry
do you
on.
mean?
What's this?
Porridge yam. You know you're supposed to be eating much.
Maybe the video.
You can't useless rubbish when you go.
Now my food dey burn. Now my food dey burn. You say you dey mad.
Okay, carry this thing go now.
Your belly, see what you cook.
Be like say you dey mad.
See what you cook. See what rubbish.
I prepare yam for you. You say like
She
just
prepare.
water.
She
I
nonsense.
poison
Which
you.
kind of food? Come on, carry this nonsense and get out. Are you okay? Which kind of food did they serve my babe like small pikin?
Now my food
Which
is
kind of
spoiled.
shot be that? You be like small pikin.
Now
Are you okay?
my food is spoiled.
Are you okay?
You
Now my
put
food is
you
man is saying nonsense.
You put
now
poison inside.
my food
It
is
looks
spoiled.
like a leftover food.
You pour my food.
You
If
dey
they
give
don't tell me
precious
that,
leftover
Precious,
food.
you pour my food.
You don't tell me
I'm
that.
giving space. Why
Oh,
you
try am.
You dey give on top
Try
of
am.
leftover
Hey,
food.
touch her.
Try
If
am.
you touch her.
You dey give on top of
Oh, yeah,
leftover
touch
food.
am now.
If you touch her.
What will you do?
If you touch her.
What will you do? What will you do?
You're giving on touch leftover food. Leftover
You
porridge.
are
like
pushing
that.
me. You are pushing me.
What they trying to
You are pushing me.
you're trying to prove
You are
good girl
pushing
or
me.
what? That porridge, I left it there because I want to give it to the
Why I
dog.
cook for you? They call me say I
Which,
cook now.
why you
are
like,
mad.
you're stupid girl, you're lying, why you lying?
Yeah,
I was the one
You are
that left
mad.
this porridge. I left this
No,
porridge
no,
for
now
the
you cook
dog.
am. Now you cook am. I'm gonna prepare it.
You're giving it to Untouchable.
I'll
Who do
do
I
it
keep for
for
dog?
you.
Then they give you.
Chicken for dog.
I keep the leftover food now. Who I won't give them
Now
that.
dog
Now you
food.
gonna carry
You are
it.
mad.
You are
You are very
stupid.
stupid. Like I said,
Give me dog food.
and as for you, let me.
You want to give me dog food?
Hey,
What kind of nonsense is that?
Come, this boy, get out of this place.
You are mad.
Porridge ever cook for dog.
How what?
You dey come
How
and
what?
I prepare food for you.
Okay.
You get mine. They say I poison am. How?
You prepare dog food for. She
Me,
prepared it for the dog.
It was the young porridge yesterday now. The leftover.
I'll
From
carry
there,
I'll
they
carry
put it for
it.
house. You are a stupid person.
I'm not doing anything.
Shut
Now you are
up.
a
I'm
fool.
not doing anything.
You are a stupid person.
You ain't fool. You ain't
I
mad.
don't blame her. That person they leave this.
Say your nonsense come up for them.
This one be like this one be like
You are mad. Touch me now.
You are a fool.
You ain't fool.
Imagine this
You
animal.
ain't fool.
What are you trying to prove?
I just say this one go take no better food. Person no fit no.
What are you trying to prove?
I prepare
You
food. Then you
prepare
put on what you want. I can
You
put on what
prepare
you
which food?
You prepare what
You want leftover porridge. When they give
This
Untouchable.
blood person.
I say you keep with this
Look at this.
You go want
See
leftover
rubbish,
porridge. When they give
woman.
Untouchable.
See rubbish woman won't be for me.
As what?
I go just carry mad man. Na mad woman be this o. See wetin.
Seafood I won't give innocent Jack.
Even Jack go gree chop am.
Hey,
Jack go gree chop this thing.
God, oh.
All these retired mad people.
You're a very stupid girl. Animal, try that rubbish again.
Make I call police. This thing not too much. More.
Baba make dem carry this girl comot for this
Yes.
house because I no understand. I no
No,
know
carry am
why
comot. No,
one day
no,
this
no.
one go he don come again. I see rubbish wey he dey. See
No,
what
no, I no fit. No, they are guys arrested.
Baba abeg.